Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to invest with Vanguard. Vanguard is a well-established investment management company that offers a wide range of low-cost index funds and exchange-traded funds. Investing with Vanguard can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially grow your wealth over time. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Vanguard website. This can be done by providing some basic personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. You will also need to fund your account, which can be done by transferring money from your bank account or by mailing a check. Once your account is set up and funded, you can begin exploring the various investment options available through Vanguard. The company offers a wide range of index funds and ETFs that track different segments of the market, such as the S&P 500, international stocks, and bonds. You can browse the available options on the Vanguard website and choose the ones that best fit your investment goals and risk tolerance. When selecting investments, it is essential to consider your overall financial goals and risk tolerance. If you are a conservative investor, you may want to focus on bond funds or money market funds, which tend to be less volatile than stock funds. On the other hand, if you are a more aggressive investor, you may want to consider stock funds or international funds, which offer the potential for higher returns over the long term. Another key concept to understand when investing with Vanguard is the idea of dollar cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. By doing so, you can reduce the impact of market volatility on your investments and avoid trying to time the market. In terms of best practices, it is essential to maintain a long-term perspective and avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. It is also crucial to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This can help to reduce risk and increase the potential for long-term returns. To illustrate this, let's consider an example. Suppose you want to invest $100 per month in a Vanguard index fund that tracks the S&P 500. You can set up an automatic investment plan to transfer the money from your bank account to your Vanguard account each month. Over time, this can help you build a diversified portfolio and potentially grow your wealth. In conclusion, investing with Vanguard can be a great way to achieve your long-term financial goals. By understanding the available investment options, considering your overall financial goals and risk tolerance, and following best practices such as dollar cost averaging and diversification, you can make informed investment decisions and potentially grow your wealth over time. Remember to always maintain a long-term perspective and avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations.